Understanding your knife's blade. Keeping your kitchen knives sharp is important. It makes cooking easier and even safer. As the saying goes, a dull knife is more dangerous than a sharp one. That's because a duller knife requires more force, which results in less control and a higher likelihood of accidents. Maintaining your knives yourself is a very rewarding skill and will extend their working lifespans. In this video, we'll explain a little bit about your knife's blade. First off, let's talk about the cutting edge. A sharp knife's blade is angled down to a fine point at a microscopic level. With regular use, this edge becomes subtly warped, bent, chipped, or blunted. Different types of steel have varying degrees of hardness and will experience this damage differently. The difference lies in how much carbon is present in the steel. High carbon content makes for a harder material. Hard steel keeps a sharp edge longer, but it's also more brittle, so it gets chipped. These knives are a little more fragile overall. By comparison, softer steels offer more overall durability, but will need to be sharpened more often. Their blades are more likely to become bent or blunted. Restoring and maintaining your knife's edge involves two processes: sharpening and honing. Honing is a matter of aligning or straightening the cutting edge of your knife. As you use your knife, the cutting edge will bend or warp out of alignment. An easy way to quickly fix it is to straighten the cutting edge against a honing rod or steel fairly often. Honing is something that you should be doing regularly, once a week, or even every time you're about to use your knife. Sharpening is a different process. You're creating a new cutting edge altogether by slowly grinding away metal. This will grind away chips and give a blunted edge a new angle. A typical home cook will only need to sharpen their knives a few times a year, though professional cooks will do it as often as once per week. To learn more about how to maintain your own knives, check out our video on how to hone a blade. To get your own Misen chef's knife and cutting board, visit Misen.com.